पे आई एम हियर विद वन मोर वीडियो। और ये वीडियो आज की जो है वो कुछ शॉर्टकट्स हैं, कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस पे, जो कि एक इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है नेट के एग्जाम का। कॉमर्स मैनेजमेंट दोनों में यूजफुल होगा, तो आप इस वीडियो को देखकर उन टॉपिक्स को जो है रिकॉल कर सकते हो, रिवाइज कर सकते हो। ये छोटी सी वीडियो फ्री आपको हेल्प करेगी, और अगर हेल्प कर रही हो, आपको पसंद आ रही हो, तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और नोटिफिकेशन बेल को ऑन करना ज़रूर। और वीडियो के लास्ट में आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो। तो आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, जिसमें ईयर्स पूछे जाते हैं वेरियस इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन के। तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन आपके पास है वर्ल्ड बैंक। वर्ल्ड बैंक को इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन कहा जाता है। इसकी डेट ऑफ क्रिएशन क्रिएटेड ऑन जुलाई 1944 को ये क्रिएट हुई थी। इसके हेडक्वार्टर्स जो है वो वॉशिंगटन डीसी यूएस के अंदर है, यूएस यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स। It comprises of two institutions. Number one is IBRD. Number two is IDA. अभी IBRD और IDA को हम डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। नंबर टू, मोस्टली इनके ईयर्स पूछे जाता है, तो आप सबसे ज़्यादा ध्यान ईयर पर देना कि इनको कब बनाया गया। तो वर्ल्ड बैंक का जो क्रिएशन ऑफ ईयर है वो है जुलाई 1944। नंबर टू इज IBRD। IBRD जो वर्ल्ड बैंक की एक इम्पॉर्टेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन है, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. IBRD stands for, I stands for International, B stands for Bank, R stands for Reconstruction and D stands for Development. This IBRD was created on 1994. And one more thing which is asked, membership. So number of member countries in IBRD are 189. This is the most important thing. Number one is year and number two is the number of countries which are the members of this. Next, I'm going to explain is second important institution. Number two is IDA. IDA stands for International Development Association. International Development Association, it's IDA. It was created on 24th September 1960. Its headquarters are also in Washington DC. Both IBRD and IDA have their headquarters in Washington DC. Member countries are 173 countries. So these are the main highlights which you should know and which you should learn. IDA stands for International Development Association. It was created on 24th September 1960. Its headquarters are Washington DC and its member countries are 173 countries. होप आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है। Next, third one is IMF. It is another financial institution. It stands for International Monetary Fund. International Monetary Fund. Its headquarters are also in Washington DC, that is in US. It was created on 27th December 1945 in, this is the main important, Bretton Woods. Next is in IMF. IMF stands for International Monetary Fund. Its headquarters are also in Washington DC in US. It was created on 27th of December 1945. in Bretton Woods. It's Bretton Woods. Members. This is the main thing which you have to learn. 189 countries are its members. 189 countries. So this was IMF. Number 4 is WHO. आजकल ये नाम हम बहुत सुन रहे हैं कोविड के टाइम पीरियड में. WHO. WHO stands for World Health Organization. Its establishment year was 7th April 1948. 7th April 1948. And its headquarters are in Geneva. Geneva, which is in Switzerland. Geneva, which is in Switzerland. Next one is again important. Number 5, IFC. It's IFC. It stands for International Finance Corporation. I stands for International, F stands for Finance, and C stands for Corporation. It was established on 20th July 1956. 20th July 1956. And its members are 184 countries. 184 countries are its members, and its headquarters are also in Washington DC, US. IFC, International Finance Corporation. It was established on 20th July 1956, and its members are 184 countries. On number 6 is WTO. WTO stands for World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization. It was established on 1st January 1995. 1st January 1995. It has 164 member states as its membership. 164. And its headquarters are in Center William Rapid, which is in Geneva, Switzerland. Geneva, Switzerland. Again, I am going to repeat. WTO. WTO stands for World Trade Organization. It was established on 1st of January 1995, and its members are 164 member states. Its headquarters are in Center William Rapid, which is in Geneva, Switzerland. Next, 7th is GATT. G-A-T-T. GATT. It stands for General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. GATT stands for General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. As it's an agreement, so you have to learn its date of signing the agreement, and it was signed on 30th of October 1947. It was signed by 23 nations. 23 nations signed it. It was signed by 23 nations. WTO, अभी इससे पहले जो हमने पढ़ा था, WTO is a successor of GATT. WTO, World Trade Organization, is a successor of GATT. Its headquarters are also in Geneva, Switzerland. GATT, GATT, stands for General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. It was, as it's an agreement, so it was signed on 30th October 1947. It was signed by 23 nations. Its headquarters are also in Geneva, Switzerland, and WTO is a successor of GATT. Next one is ADB. ADB. ADB stands for Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank. Its year of establishment is 19th December 1966. 19th December 1966. Its headquarters are in Philippines, and its members are 68 countries. So its membership is given to 68 countries are its members. Again, I'm going to repeat. It's ADB, Asian Development Bank. Its year of establishment is 19th December 1966. Its headquarters are in Philippines, and its members are 68 countries. Hope ये वीडियो आपके लिए अच्छी हो, समझ आए आपको. अगर किसी भी तरह की कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो तो आई रेकमेंड कि आप कमेंट सेक्शन में उनके जवाब दीजिए, बताइए, ताकि हम इसको और इम्प्रूव कर सके. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लाइकिंग. बाय. हैव अ नाइस डे.